Hello everyone! Welcome to KERUI Smart Heian Manufacturing Base. I am Mr. Yu, the head of the factory. Today, I will take you through KERUI from the aspects of self-built industrial park, technological innovation, and production equipment. Let's go! KERUI was founded in 2004, is a high-tech enterprise, a Shenzhen innovative enterprise, and a specialized and refined enterprise. The headquarters and R&D center are located in Shenzhen. There are self-built large-scale production parks in Heian and Huizhou, equipped with a digital smart factory and advanced automation equipment. KERUI takes 7 seconds management and standardization as its core, ensuring production vitality and product quality. The Heian factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters, employs over 200 people, and has a monthly output of 1.2 million units, with an annual output value of approximately 300 million. The company specializes in the research and development and manufacturing of intelligent security devices, smart home products, and IoT sensors. And its products have passed multiple domestic and international authoritative certifications, such as CCC, CQC, CE, ROSE, and FCC. This is our production building, where all finished products are manufactured and stored, and then shipped through global logistics to over 30 countries worldwide. This is our raw material warehouse, where only tested and qualified raw materials are allowed to be stored. During production, the quality department will verify the consistency of the raw materials with the BOM and conduct further testing. This is our SMT workshop, which is equipped with a complete surface mount line and production process flow, as well as a fully automated intelligent motherboard testing line. After the surface mounting is completed, the qualified PCBA will be put into the automated functional testing line. Only after all parameters meet the standards can it proceed to the next process, replacing traditional manual verification and ensuring product functional consistency. In addition, we also have an assembly workshop, which currently has 10 assembly lines, 4 packaging lines, and several welding robots. This is a self-developed, fully automated machine matching line that can automatically match 800 units per hour, eliminating the possibility of missing codes or mismatches due to manual operation. This is our 3C laboratory equipped with advanced testing equipment. All of our company's products must undergo laboratory verification and obtain relevant international certifications before they can enter the market. We focus on providing professional early warning and security systems and intelligent security solutions, integrating global resources, continuously innovating, and driving win-win value and sustainable development across the industry chain. We sincerely invite customers to visit and provide guidance.